Okay, I'll show you how to set the Sat Nav in this BMW 320 from any screen. If you click on the nav, it's come up there on the map, so just click nav again. You've then got your menu, destination input. Click on destination input, and you've got here Preston, Lancashire, and the road, but we'll click here on Preston. And then we are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. We now have to go to numbers. We have to change over to numbers and symbols at the bottom there. 5, 4, and then we need to go back to letters. So down to the bottom, back to letters, J, S, Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5, 4JS, showing Preston Lancs and Preston Wantleydale, same thing, but we'll click Preston Wantleydale. It's asking me for a street. We'll go the whole hog and put Chorley Road in. B528 Chorley Road, Chorley Road. Accept destination. If it's not on there, it will be, but click accept destination and start guidance.
Please follow the road.
So that's it. That's how you set the sat nav. Once you've, if you're anything like me, you'll set the sat nav and then you get 50 miles from home and you know where you're going in any direction, and you don't want to be listening to it again. So you just knock the selector over again, and then that brings up another menu, and you've got speaker there. And just knock the speaker off so you won't hear any more. Rather than just going through it and taking your eye off the road, just knock the speaker off there.